PHP Comparison Operators. So, the comparison operators are used to compare two values in a Boolean fashion. That is, when you use the comparison operators, the PHP comparison operators, it gives you your response or your answer in form of Boolean. So the first one is the double equal to sign, okay, that checks if two values are true. If it is true, it equals a Boolean true, or if it is false, it equals a Boolean false. We also have identical, that is, they are of the same value and of the same type. Then you have not equal to, also not equal to in another fashion, not identical, that is, they are not of the same type and of the same value. Less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. So let's see this in action. Like always, I'm going to create my PHP tag. And let's create some variables. Let's say variable x is equal to 30. Variable y is equal to 40. And let's create a last one. Variable z is equal to, let's make this a string, 30. Now, the very first one we want to test out is the equal to. So let's say, var dump is going to give us the Boolean results, all right? Var dump is variable x equal to variable y. Let's check this. So we are checking if they are both equal to themselves. So I'm going to open the comparison operator, and as you can see, it says false because they are not equal to themselves. Now let's check for the next one. The next one is if they are identical. Identical means that they are equal in value and also equal in type. That is, we are using x and z. So this one is going to check if x and z, if they are equal in value, or if they are equal in type. That is, if they are both, let's say, data type of integers, or if they are both floats, or they are both strings. So let's check this. So I'm going to put a new line here. So I'll use an echo to create a break. You can echo HTML elements too. So you see, it's false because the 30 we have for x is an integer, but the 30 we have for z is actually a string. So they are not identical, okay? They are not identical. So the next one we will try out now is not equal to. So not equal to is going to be exclamation mark and equal to. So let's do this for y. And as you can see, it is true because x is not equal to y. X is 30 and y is 40. What if we change y to 30? See, false. So let's return it back to 40. So s is not equal to y. Also, there's another way to write not equal to, and that is using the greater than and the less than symbol together, like this. Okay, so let me put back our results. We have false for this. Not equal to, we have, okay, let's check this first. So you see we have false, and it is true because they are not equal to themselves, just like we checked previously. So the next one we want to check is the not identical. So we are going to do that for z again. So we are checking if they are not identical. So you use the exclamation mark and double equal to sign. And you see this is true because they are not identical. This is a string, this is an integer, and this is a string. The next one is the greater than or less than symbol. So let's do the less than first. So x is less than y, which is true because 30 is less than 40. But what if we do the other one, x is greater than? This should be false because x is not greater than. You see it? Then also we have the less than equal to and the greater than equal to. So I will do both at the same time. So less than equal to and greater than equal to. And let's see. And the first one is true because x is less than y. Okay, x is less than y. But the last one, x is greater than y, is false, which is true because it is false. 30 is not greater than 40 and is not equal to. So guys, this is it on PHP comparison operators. I'll see you in the next one.